things that we can do here is using differences in pressure, like low pressure, high pressure. We can see if we can make it easier to lift things. So can you lift this desk?
Yep.
I can.
You think? Very good, Jay. Can you do it with one hand? Very good. Can you do it with one finger? Very good, Jay. Can you do it with a pinky?
Yes.
Very
Yes.
good, Jay. Okay, all right. Now, one of the things that now, 15 pounds of pressure per square inch at sea level that I wrote down in case I lose my memory one day. But what you can do is, have you seen this stuff? This is very easy. This is kind of like similar in pressure. So what you do is, it's kind of like a suction cap.
Oh.
So what we do is, do I have some still water here?
What?
Okay.
Oh, there you go.
Very good, Jay.
That
One
looks
finger.
heavy.
See, so much lighter. So these kind of things, these tools, it's all about pressure.
It looks heavy though.
It looks heavy. But you can lift things that are like twice times the weight there.
Well, then it takes a lot of effort.
Just with this. That's it. Because there's low pressure inside. There's right, and then there's this. It's forcing a little vacuum. Anybody else want to try? You want to try this?
Very self-trained.
Very, very easy. Yeah, you can have a workout out of this stuff. Right? Very, very cheap. Okay, thank you very much. Okay, the last thing that I'd like to show you for pressure.
You volunteer. Yeah.
I just want that thing to shoot straight up. That one flash. Why? Touch it with an egg.
Yeah, put it where and unflower.
Oh no!
Got some eggs,
I
here.
think your food gets made.
Oh, just styrofoam eggs. Styrofoam eggs from Easter. Okay,
Cool.
here's the next trick I can do for you. Need another volunteer. Can I use you as a volunteer? Okay, come on up. Fill this up with water. Doesn't matter how much. About halfway.
Tori. Is that your project? Your background?
Okay. One of the things you can do at a dinner table, I don't have green cards. I used to use it with my credit cards when I'm on a date with someone. So you can use your credit card, you can use air miles if you want
Bad
to
idea.
So what you do is you take a card, doesn't matter which one, show it to everyone, and try to flatten
Oh my
it
God,
down,
you three.
Okay? And it's not about finding what card it is. Let's try to show you how you can make water to not come out of a flask. So trying to flatten this a bit more. So what you do is, as you pour the water out there, you're pushing all the air out. Okay?
So you just take flash, put you on your date.
Yeah. Well, if you had a glass, you have a wine glass, or anything like that, you got some water. Okay? So as you push pour the water in, you're pushing air out, so there's less atmospheric pressure inside compared to outside this container. So what happens is that you take your Air Miles card or credit card, you put it at the top, okay? And then what you're going to do, if the science works, just like this suction cap, you're going to hold it like this, turn it upside down, and just hold it steadily. Now, a lot of people would think the water will start gushing out and the card will sink to the bottom. But if it works, 14 newtons of pressure should push that card against the flask. The water should not come out. So you're going to hold it like this, and you're just going to flip it like that. And you see that little squirt of water that came out? That's natural. The vacuum is trying to equalize itself in terms of pressure. And once you're going to do that, you're just going to hold it steadily just above that in case the water comes out.
It's like Bill Nye.
Okay?
My question is, where do you get a glass of
Glass, wine glass or anything like that. Okay?
So you
Now, yeah, and okay, got that, and slowly, there you go.
Oh! Aw.
Okay, okay,
You need a flatter card.
Yeah.
okay, here.
Anything with a credit card? Yeah, card's not bad enough. Oh no, it isn't.
Oh.
Do you use that
What?
use it to impress John A.
Oh my god, you guys.
Good job. Okay, thank you very much. Have a seat. Are you okay? Yeah, you're fine. The last thing that I'll do is I'll do this one here.
And one more thing.
Like,
Stop.
pass me that water bottle.
I think that's a wasted flask.
No, geez, I want to break the egg.
Oh yeah, okay. Never mind.
Does anybody have a felt marker? Felt
nope.
marker?
Riley, check your bucket.
Felt marker? That's all right. One of the things that you can do.
Mr. Egg.
Oh, good.
Aww.
Okay. Next time you want to have a party with someone, you want to do a little prank, or you could
Do a little
is
prank.
Take a water bottle of any kind or some pop, and you want to fill it up with water. Okay? Or maybe it came out with water right when you bought it. Now, I would do this with pop. I'd be like, okay, guys, you guys are arriving. Help yourself to any drinks. But what I would do is do a little trick on them. So it's all about pressure. Notice that all these experiments was forcing a vacuum so that it could help hold the thing in place, whether this desk or this cart.
You're gonna make them shoot out, aren't you?
So yeah, that's what you do. So you take a little thumbtack, just go like this. Okay? And then you see it equalize itself? So what it is doing, forming a vacuum. There's less pressure inside because of that space. There's a lot of pressure outside. It's forcing a vacuum that it's able to hold the water in, just like she did.
Oh.
So then all you have to do is you say, please squeeze me. Or you might say, don't touch. Okay? Very often when people see a sign that says don't touch, guess what they do? They do touch it, okay? And then guess what happens? They say, oh, are you thirsty, man? Well, yeah, help yourself. And be like, okay, good. Oh, all right, and all that stuff. Oh, okay. So there, and that's what you could do. Sorry. That's what you could do at a party.
That's crazy.
Yeah, you just let it sit, have all your Gatorade drinks, have everything else around it, and they might pick the nut, right? Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed that. Okay.